Welcome to the second episode of Cultural Canvas with Abir Pothi, where we dive deep into the vibrant world of Indian art and culture. Today, we are uncovering one of Rajasthan's most cherished artistic treasures, the stunning Pichwai paintings. Pichwai, a devotional art form originating in Nathdwara near Udaipur, Rajasthan, involves painting sacred images on cloth and hanging them behind a deity. This tradition began in the 17th century shrine of Nathdwara when an idol of Krishna was relocated from Mathura during Aurangzeb's reign. The term Pichwai, meaning that which hangs at the back, embodies the essence of devotion. In this episode, we'll explore the world of Pichwais, which hold a special place among followers of the Pushtimarg, a Vaishnavi sect that venerates Krishna in his childlike form as Srinath Ji. The art of Pichwai flourished under the patronage of Mewar Maharaja Raj Singh, with the Nathdwara shrine earning the title Haveli of Srinath Ji. As the shrine's artistic hub grew, artists from Kota and Kishangarh relocated to Nathdwara, infusing the Pichwai style with the elegance of Rajasthani painting, particularly the Mewar school. Pichwai artists used mineral pigments, including metallic shades from pure gold and silver, and organic hues derived from natural sources like red lac from trees and deep yellow from cow urine, known as gogoli. Hand-embroidered Pichwais featured silk threads and zari work. The central figure in all Pichwais is Krishna, or Srinath Ji, typically depicted in black with his hand raised to lift Mount Govardhan. The backgrounds often feature gopis, milkmaids, lush flora and fauna, peacocks, cows, and gods flying in their Viman or Vahana, alongside scenes from Krishna's childhood and well-known fables. The section behind the idol is often left empty or cut out, sometimes featuring a grand tree, like the Kadamba, evoking Krishna's presence. Embroidery, applique work, and vibrant borders frame these artworks, while gold embellishments and white outlines highlight the deities. Rooted in deep devotion, Pichwais are intricate artworks that offer a visual journey through myth and worship. From the majestic depictions of Krishna and his fables to the intricate portrayal of seasons and festivals, Pichwais celebrate the sacred with a harmonious blend of color, form, and faith. Preserving ancient rituals and timeless aesthetics, the Pichwai tradition of Rajasthan is a beautiful amalgamation of rich cultural significance and reverence, inviting us to explore the vast pantheon of religious textile hangings and the devotion they embody. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned to Abir Pothi for more explorations into the rich heritage of Indian art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.